Hi.
Don't make me laugh.
Oh, don't make me laugh. Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe. I have here a friend. Her name is Keisha, and Keisha will help me with my video today. She is a Thai.
Thai little.
She's from Thailand. Are you from Thailand?
No.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
You from Philippines?
Yeah.
What Philippine?
I don't know.
Have you been to Philippines?
I see a cat.
What?
I see a cat.
Okay, I will first get my
What?
I will get my cell phone, okay?
Okay. Hello, kitty, kitty. You love my style? Are you cutie, cutie? Are you cutie? Oh, you're very cute. You're very cute. Don't touch me. Hello? Hello? Anyone? Wait, what's your name? Hello? 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 Hi. Come here. Ah, that's funny. Hello, kitty. Boop, boop. Hello? Hello? Stop. Stop video yan. Ah, stop. Hello, Papa, Pipa, Buba, Dida, Buba, Dida, Buba, Dida. Oh, hello. Anyone here? Hello? Hello?
Okay.
Sit down first.
Okay. We have here a game. Interview with, how old are you?
6 years old.
6
No,
years.
7.
Almost
7 now.
7 already?
Mm-hmm.
Interviewing with a 7 years old. Okay. Ha ha ha. What is your favorite activity?
Huh?
What? Oh.
What?
What is your favorite activity?
I don't know.
You don't know? You know how to motorcycle?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so that is your favorite.
But my favorite is how to speak Thai.
How to speak Thai? Okay. For your information, Keisha is not Thai. She's a Filipino. Okay. She's a Filipina. Next. Name something that you like about Ate LeeAnne. What do you like about Ate? Tita di ay tita. Tita LeeAnne.
I don't know.
Hmm?
What does that mean?
Huh. You don't know what does that mean? You don't know? Why do you like Tita?
Because you're very beautiful.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's it? Okay. Name something disgusting that you do. Name something that disgusting that you do.
See?
Mm-hmm.
Snail.
Snail? You touched the snail?
No.
What did you do with the snail?
Just leave it alone.
Okay. Okay. If you have 1 million baht, what are you gonna do with 1 million baht?
There's my phone, Galaxy Note,
Buy a phone and a Galaxy Note. What else?
iPad.
Huh?
iPad too.
iPad? What else? 1 million is a big money. How big is 1 million?
Like this.
Like that? Oh, okay. So you will buy iPhone, iPad, Galaxy Note. What else?
Computer.
Computer. What else?
A dog.
A dog. Ooh. So that's it?
Yeah.
You think that's worth 1 million baht?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. What do you like about school? What do you like about school?
I like about.
Why do you like school?
Because that make me
You're having fun at school? What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite food is durian.
Durian! I like durian too.
Over there.
What do you like drawing?
I like drawing.
What do you like to draw?
I like to draw a human.
A human, a person. Okay, next. What is your favorite car?
My favorite car. My favorite car is Lamborghini.
Lamborghini! Wow, how did you know that?
Because I like
Because you like it? What does universe means? Universe. What do you think universe is? Universe is what?
have a lot of space there.
Have a lot of space? Ooh, that's a good answer. How big is space? How big do you think is the space?
The space
Yes.
like 10 feet tall.
10 feet tall. So space is 10 feet tall. Okay. What else? There's no answer here. It's just a question. Yeah. What is the best thing about having a brother? Yeah, what is the best thing about having a brother? How many brothers you have? You have 2 brothers. Okay. What is the best thing of having 2 brothers? A lot of fun?
Have fun playing with my brothers and have fun playing with the
Computer. Okay. What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy
I'm thinking.
car.
Car. Okay. Tell me a funny joke. Do you have a funny joke?
I don't have.
Oh, really?
I have only this. Knock knock.
Okay, knock knock. Okay, you say knock knock.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
It's Keisha.
Keisha, who?
Me.
Me. That's that's funny. That's funny. That's Keisha. Okay. What do you like, dog or cat? Dog. Why dog?
Because it's so fresh. You always the dog tickling.
Pencil or pen?
Pencil.
Shoes or slippers?
Shoes.
Shoes. T-shirt or blouse? Short or skirts?
Shorts.
Shorts? Really?
Yeah.
Bicycle or motorbike?
Bicycle.
Motorbike or car?
Car.
Lamborghini or Ferrari?
Ferrari.
Huh? Ferrari? I thought you like Lamborghini!
I like 2 of them.
You like 2 of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Oh yeah, who are better? Boys or girls? Who do you think is better? Boys or girls?
Boys.
Boys? Why?
Because they run fast and can flip very high.
Really?
Yeah.
Girls can do that as well.
But the girls want to just dance and talk about it.
Oh, so the girls just want only to dance and talk about it. That's it. But the boys, they can flip, they can run fast. What else?
Can skateboard and
Can skateboard
and unicycle well
and unicycle,
and basketball.
basketball. So that's all the boys can do, right?
Yeah.
Girls cannot do that.
No.
Do you prefer to run or to walk?
Run.
Run. Okay. What is the funniest thing you've ever seen?
The funniest is
Have you seen a funny thing before?
yeah.
What is it?
The dog just fall down. There's a dog and then the dog just another dog just push it and then the dog just fall down and fall.
Oh yeah, that's funny. Okay, now last question. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Yes.
No.
Do you have a crush?
No.
Do you like someone in school?
No.
I think so.
Boyfriend and crush.
So we will not talk about it. Erase, 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 erase. Erase. It's a secret, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
But tell me, do you have a girlfriend, boyfriend?
Don't have any.
But do you like someone? Just a secret.
Yeah.
Yeah. Secret. Okay. And we're going to say goodbye. You say, we are now going to say
Goodbye.
goodbye.